Now that's 2272, 26000, and 5601. Looks like some new hoppers right there. This guy's really going motoring. Wow, everybody, if all of you enjoyed this train video here, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? When you do that, it will help other train people come to my channel and check me out. Also, if you could do me a big favor, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Also, leave comments. What did you think about this train video? But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one and take care. And thanks for watching.